So far, my LED lights are working. My LED headlights are working. Looking good and clear. Makes the truck look brand new. And then I figured out why my light bar wasn't working. So I guess the cable down here got a little loose. It's right here. Got a little loose and decided to rub all up in here, so it ripped. So of course, good thing I figured it out. I fixed it though, because now we got light. We got a whole lot of light. We got too much light. God damn, I'm blind as shit. And then the tail lights, LED tail lights are working good. And I put the little strip on the bottom that's connected to the tow, tow wire. Yeah, it's legit. This is LED right here. LEDs. Oh wait, one's not working. What's going on? Come on. There you go. Got you. So yep. Front brakes and rotors are all good. Look at that, brand new. Smelling like ass crack because, you know, they're breaking in. But first time changing brake rotors on a Ford Ranger are really easy. They don't even have bolts, they have guide pins. It's weird. You just knock them out. Painted the grill black. Paint all this down there black. What else did I do? I need to fix this. This is ashy. And just painted the bumper black again so it looks nice. What else did I do? Painted this. Slapped some stickers on here. You know. Got the visor. Yeah. It's not looking too bad. Those headlights look really nice though. It really brings the truck out a lot. I like that. All clear lens, but of course I have an amber LED right here, so it's amber, not white, because I still wanted to have some color. Oh, is that wax? It is wax. I tried to wax my truck earlier, because it has a cool like little color to it. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's kind of cool. It's like, in certain light, it's like purple and green and blue. It's kind of cool. And at night, it looks almost black. Not too shabby. But yeah, I'm out though. I'm so tired. I'm about to go relax, chill, kick it. Ooh, what about her though? What you doing? Looking all sexy. Jesus. Jagger, you done did it again. Now I'm gonna turn this truck into something crazy. As you see, I've already made this what it is. It was never looking like this before. This ain't gonna look like this for too much longer either. I don't know what I plan on doing it, but I plan on doing something. I'm just not sure what color I want to do it. I might even wrap it because it's such an easy car to wrap. It's just square. Like, you can't go wrong with square. That's easy, you know? But yeah, I'm satisfied. At least the car brakes. I bought some bleeder screws so I can finish pumping out all the air out of the lines. But it does run and drive and stops. It just doesn't stop to my liking. So definitely gonna fix that tomorrow. Change out all the bleeder screws. This one is new because I changed the caliper, so that one has a brand new one, so I don't need that one. But I'm changing this one and those two in the back because they're all stripped, all of them. I had to take them off with vice grips to get out some of the air so it's not completely like full of air, because it was full of air when I took off the caliper, as you know. So it was full of air and I'm like, man, what am I gonna do? I don't understand. And so it sucks. Thank God the autos by my house, they had 2 packs left because all the other stores, they didn't have any at all. So I got those and I'm gonna install those tomorrow, so that way I can officially bleed my brakes correctly. And check out my little, this is my bleeder system. Good old Hennessy. But yeah, this is my little bleeder system. This is what I've been using. My little homemade gadget. People make these all the time. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. But yeah, well, catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching.